how to change location on Rednote. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, let's learn how to change your location on your Rednote account. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Rednote on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the Me tab available at the bottom. Your Rednote profile will open up. Tap on the profile button, then select location. Now, single tap on your current location. From here, you can change your Rednote account location. If you wish, you can grant location access to Rednote and it will set your location automatically. However, I recommend selecting it manually for privacy reasons. That's why, scroll through the list and find the location of your choice. Once found, single tap on it to select and boom! You have successfully changed your location on Rednote. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.